I'm sure you've heard the news. Chrome 142 made things tricky for ad blockers. The old Ublock origin doesn't work out of the box anymore, but don't worry, I'll show you the easy workaround. First, download Ublock Origin from the official GitHub releases page. Grab the ublock0.chromium.zip file, then unzip it somewhere you'll remember, like your Documents folder. Next, open Chrome and head to Chrome.extensions. Flick on Developer Mode, it's in the top right. Hit Load Unpacked, select the folder you just unzipped, and click Select Folder. Boom, Ublock Origin appears. Ignore any warning Chrome throws at you. Now, right-click your Chrome shortcut and pick Properties. In the target box, add this to the very end after a space. Disable features. Extension: Manifest v2 unsupported, Extension Manifest v2 disabled. Click Apply, then OK. Important: always launch Chrome using this shortcut for Ublock Origin to work. If this sounds like too much, you can try Ublock Origin Lite from the Chrome Web Store, but it's not as powerful. Or switch to Firefox for full support.